up here today. I just have the handy dandy iPhone. I don't have the big cameras out, but it takes such good 4K footage. I'm not too worried about it. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. But anyways, I'm going to show you the road we're building. So we are building a road from the main road in, the main driveway in, which is about a 900-foot road from the property line into the building and the landing here. We're taking a road off of that and going down the super steep hill to where the orchard will be. So I'm going to walk you through that. I also have some drone footage I can share. So for reference, here's the solar cabinet that you've seen in many other videos, the back porch. And then off the back porch, you can kind of see where the road is there. It comes down across here and down and curves around. From a previous video, you saw us doing the orchard, which is right down here in this clearing. We started clearing this whole area out last year so we could start planting the orchard down there. Get some fruit and nut trees going, as well as we want to start planting some cedars and maples back into this forest to kind of get it out of Hey I'm a Giant logging company's forest into what was originally the natural forest. We've been working with the Department of Natural Resources on what to do about that and how they're helping us. We'll hopefully have some videos on that pretty soon. They're going to actually come out and help us do some pre-commercial thinning on this forest and a few other things, so hopefully have some good info on that for you guys. But you can see down there the big tree ripping excavator. So that's about where the road ends, and then you can see the orchards there. So our plan is there's a road ends there. There's a small turnaround in case we have a small trailer to turn around or anything. Once that's done, then we'll just clear ourselves a trail from there up to the orchard. So. Some of this road's actually pretty steep in this part of the landscape, as you can kind of see right here. It goes up over this hill and then it kind of goes up, so they're having to fill a lot of areas, but it's great because we have no shortage of dirt, so they're able to take the dirt from areas that they're digging out as well as other spots and fill those in to kind of make them less, up and down and more level, as well as less steep. Another thing that's amazing, I got drone footage of it, is one of the big excavators here that just literally grabs trees and tears them out of the ground. It's amazing. You don't have to cut any of these trees down. It just rips them out, roots and all. So once we're done and the road's all done, we'll come through here and pick up all those trees, buck all the branches off of them, and bring them up and let them season for firewood in the wood stove. So they will definitely not go to waste. You can see here he's using this deer to regrade the slope here. This part is a little bit steep and goes right into the corner, so this will be much nicer. And as we come up this hill, right there's the building that we've been working on. This is the north side of it. So the nice deck on the back that overlooks the view out there. And now it'll kind of see the road. Trees covered up a little bit, but one of the things we want to do is add a little staircase like right here. Just a small one once this is all done, and we can cut a really short trail right up to the building there, so you'll be able to get down the road without going the long way around. Here's the giant Volvo roller that they brought up that'll be going down there to compact a lot of the dirt and get the slopes compacted down, and then eventually recompact the rock once they put it down.